Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to get new Revolut physical card. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the Revolut application on your phone. And once you go to home, here you can find on the top right side the card icon. Just click on it. And here you have this option, simply click on add new. Then you can choose between physical, virtual, or disposable. I'm going to choose physical. And now you have multiple options. You have the standard, the ultra platinum, the middle black, the premium space gray, the plus, and finally the golden one. You can choose between any one of them, and after you choose it, just click on upgrade or choose code. Once you click on choose code, here you'll have to add the PIN, create your PIN, then confirm it. Once you confirm it, here it will ask you if this is the address that you actually want it to be sent to. You can simply click on yes, send to this address, or no, and edit the address. And then they will ask for a confirmation for your address. You can verify it, then click on use this address. And after that, here you can see the confirmation of your payment. And if you have chosen any other card rather than the gold one, it will be most probably for free. And if you want to change the payment method, you can simply click on change and choose the payment method that you want actually to use in order to pay for this card. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.